How to unlink Instagram from Facebook. So go open your Instagram application, tap on the profile icon here on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will direct you to the profile tab, and in here, just click on this three lines icon in the upper right corner. Now click on settings, scroll down in here, and once you see account center, click on that. This is where you will find your profile. As you can see, I have two profiles here. One is Instagram and the other one is Facebook. To unlink this, go to account here below the account settings option. After that, click on remove and just click on continue. Confirm by tapping on this remove and your username. As you can see, the Facebook account is now removed. So that is how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.